I want to tell you something that who is the most powerful people on the face of this planet? Do you know them? But there is a reason that nobody knows it. You will say that the most powerful people on the face of this planet is Elon Musk, Richard Branson, Larry Page. They are the wealthiest person, but they are not the powerful person. The powerful person has to have system in their hand. But are they the controller of this system? No, they aren't. Then who is the controller of this system? There is only one man who is the most powerful person on this planet right now, and his name was or is Larry Fink. Larry Fink is the founder and chairman of BlackRock. BlackRock is the biggest asset manager in this world right now. He manages around $12 trillion at a single second. It means it manages three times of this country, India, GDP. GDP is the thing which 150 crore people earn daily on a span of a year, and then the accumulation is $4 trillion, but the BlackRock manages three times of this amount, $12 trillion at a single second, and it owns the biggest assets of this world, which is power. But how is it possible that a man has a most powerful in his hand? How it happened? And who gives him the power? The people who they support. They have given them the power to control the system and generate something which everybody has to obey. There is no escape. Everybody has to obey them. The system is designed like that. We have to obey them. But he is not the only person who has lots of power. There is a second person who is called Peter Thiel. Peter Thiel is the second most powerful person right now, but is the shadow president. Donald Trump is a main president, but he is a shadow president. Why? Because he controls everything from the curtains, behind the curtains. JD Vance is the vice president, but who helped him to become a vice president? Who fund him? Who gives money to him? The person known by single person. His name is Peter Thiel, and Peter Thiel has a lots of asset in his hand in CIA. He controls information by his company, and tell me the name of his company in comment.